Well, first stop of the day. We got ourselves a fan and a toaster. Because, you know, every time I go scrapping, I always run into my fans. Let's clip some cords quickly. Stick those in there. All right, let's see what we find next. Well, what do we got in the pile today? All kinds of goodies. Start with these big chairs. Oh my, look at all the mess of cords. All right, we got a blower. Just a mitt full of cords. Dropping my gloves. So I'm pulling on this gray one.
How many trimmers is there?
Fill that little container with cords in about 2 stops. And so we don't need the plastic vacuum. We'll take weed whacker, nice gas powered one. Yeah. Well, that was a good little stop for the second stop of the night. All right, let's see what's next. Well, we normally wouldn't take basketball stuff, but this is obviously trash. I assume you want to get rid of... Excuse me? I assume you want to get rid of this basketball net?
Yes, I was just opening because the other part is there. So that if you...
Yeah, if you have any other metal, we'll take any metal stuff. This is heavy. That's gonna be awkward as, you know what? Yeah, it's got water in it. I figured you didn't want half a basketball net, but when I saw you there, I figured I better ask.
Thanks, brother.
Thank you. Well, that's filling us up in a hurry. Hopefully we don't find, well, I want to find big stuff, but that's just awkward now. But we can always take it out, put something else big on, and put that back on top if we have to. All right, let's carry on down the road. Might be something over there in that pile. I thought I saw the bottom of a fan. There's obviously this hockey net. I'm not sure if we want that. Oh, okay, this is like bottom of a fan. A little stool. And the hockey net seems plastic. Yeah, that's plastic. So yeah, we'll just take these parts. Well, maybe I'll take that too, because that seems metal. I think that's aluminum. Yeah, we'll take that. Alrighty, let's see what we find on the next stop. Well, this is interesting. It's very heavy. I have no idea what that is. Huh. Alright, we just spotted a great big gazebo, so we're definitely going to go grab that. And my brother's in a hurry. I know, you're driving away without me. Now we just spotted that over there. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but yeah, we're going to stop and grab all that gazebo metal.
I guess you're going to need help with that one.
It looks like rusty steel to me. You know, sometimes these gazebos are aluminum, which is really nice, but this one definitely appears to be steel. You can see the rust. But yeah, nice big pile of it.
Didn't I just say where's the gazebo from?
Yep. And it's a family affair, scrapping again.
Come on, get out of there.
Let's hook back in there.
Okay. Putting it in the back.
What? I don't know what this thing was, but it's very, very heavy. Serba batch feed sound plus sealing technology. I still have no idea what this thing was, but it's heavy. I'd like to leave some space at the back, but I'm just trying to reposition. I want to get these down the side. There we go.
One more like this coming up.
Right here, I'll give you that one too. You probably need a strap on this.
Yeah, I'm thinking that.
Yeah, that's holding this all in pretty good. And definitely pile this on top. Well, that was a nice find. We haven't had too many stops and it's filling up quickly. And our scrap prices went up again today. Our regular tin price is up to $310 per ton, or 15.5 cents per pound, which is really, really good. And even our enamel tin price, which is like for the dirtier stuff, it's at $290 a ton, or 14.5 cents per pound. So like, those are really good prices. My brother took in a big double-doored fridge this morning and got like 45 bucks for it. And it was just a big fridge. So, can't complain about those kind of prices. Well, a few more stops and we might have it filled up. Pretty much one stove or washer or dryer. There we go. That's in there. All right, let's see what else we can find for the load. So we just got flagged over by a gentleman that asked us if we wanted a barbecue, and we said of course we want a barbecue. So he's gone to the backyard to fetch his barbecue. And now we just wait patiently.
Yeah, you can pretty much put metal on any day of the week. Yeah, scrappers and buy all. I never knew. Yeah. The longest it's going to sit there for is maybe 48 hours before somebody buys it. That's not too bad. No.
On garbage night, it's gone in 10 minutes.
Yeah, usually.
It's funny, we were just saying, where are all the barbecues? And then you flagged us over and you're like, hey, do you want a barbecue?
Might as well.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
Thank
Hold
you.
on 1 sec.
Oh,
Need my
yep.
tool. Oh, yeah.
No problem.
All right, if you do the gate, I'll do
Yep.
Oh yeah, I never showed you the big piece of copper and brass that somebody left in the flipping.
That's cast aluminum too.
Is it?
Yeah, if you wanted to
yeah.
clean it. Yeah. Big time cast aluminum shell. And yeah, just think it's $1 a pound, and there's got to probably be 7 or 8 pounds there. But yeah, it's all about how challenging it is and storing it, or at least having to hit the separate pile to sell it. That's
Still got that lamp post in the backyard.
that's true enough. Yep.
Yeah, shit, I gotta take this through the thing.
This is pretty easy too. It's just a couple cotter pins to pull, and the top's gonna come off.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, our problem is we don't have a ton of room to store stuff. We have a very teeny backyard, and we always, it's an issue with storing stuff. So a lot of stuff tends to go to the tin pile, but you know, sometimes we're selective and we salvage what we can. All right, let's carry on. Well, it's a big pile, but I guess these running boards do look mostly kind of plasticky.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's all plastic, just the metal brackets. Yeah.
Yeah, that's all of it.
All right, carry on. Well, I see a nice metal bar stool. Oh yeah. Well, we can keep the little seat part since it was already nicely detached. Get in there. There we go. All right, it's turning out to be a nice spring scrap night. We just found a trampoline on the curb with a pogo stick. You know, I love pogos, but usually the battered kind of hot dog kinds, but we'll take that pogo too. Oh, beautiful steel. Yeah, as Steve in salvaging in Arizona would say, it's a steel meal today. We'll take the steel meal all day long. Yeah, we stuffed it in there good. We've already got a fantastic load. It'll be interesting if we find anything else good. All right, let's carry on. Well, 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 the springtime scrap just keeps on giving. Nice heavy bed rails. There we go. Wow, I can't believe we've gotten all of this in about 45 minutes so far, so you gotta love the springtime scrap. Well, well, well. We will definitely take a car battery. And we'll start with these little bits. Not too often you find the car batteries on the curb. Not quite sure what battery price is right now, but it's good. All right, let's carry on. Well, literally moved up the road about 10 feet and spotted this TV. That's nice when you don't even have to clip it. Just take the cord there. And let's see what's next. Well, if we had more room, we'd probably take those chairs, but I think we'll leave those for another scrapper. But we're definitely going to take this dog cage. There we go, that's not going to go anywhere. Well, what is this? I saw the cord. Yeah, it's a sewing machine. It's a sewing machine. Put those cords there. Didn't need the plastic part. All right, let's carry on. Well, I see another fan. This is a pretty solid, heavier fan, that's for sure. Wow, I'm impressed we found so much so quickly. Gotta like it. Well, we've been hitting a bit of a dry spout, so happy to find this chair. See if I can just wedge it in there. Want to get the leg under that strap. See if we can get both the legs under that strap. There we go. Yeah, that's not going to go anywhere. All right, so we're back, and this is the entirety of the load that we got this evening. Seems like a pretty good load. I'm going to hazard a guess that we've got at least $100 on here. But we're going to find out here in a moment. I'm going to tell you exactly what we got for this load. And look at my stash of cords. That's pretty good too. And the brass. That's all coming in the house with me. All right, let's see how much we got paid. So it turned out that we had 580 pounds of tin shred on the trailer. The price went down to $290 per ton, or 14.5 cents per pound, for a grand total payout of $84.10. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.